Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to do the unboxing of JBL headset.
Which I got of 600 bucks from Flipkart Big Billion Sale. Guys, you can also check it out. The sale will come soon, super soon. These are the JBL speakers. These are the JBL's headset with the dynamic sound, powerful bass.
So guys, you all can see
You can see. I will review this product after using this and will let you know how was this product which I got from Big Billion Sale. I will review this product in my next video, which will be up soon in next week. Stay tuned and order some crazy product from Flipkart.